Okay, I wanted to show you guys my garage dehumidifier. This is the VEVOR, VEVOR dehumidifier. I guess it's a commercial dehumidifier, but it's not very big. I've got it mounted on a shelf and put a little vent in the drain, and it just drains down into the wall, goes through the floor, and then just goes into the basement drain. I've got it set up to turn on at 40% humidity, and it'll go down to 37 and then turn off. It'll go back up to 40, 41 and turn back on. Works great. Haven't had any problems. This little bucket blinks every once in a while. I called their support. They were very responsive, and they just said, well, it's defrosting. So no need to worry. It will finish defrosting and keep on dehumidifying, and that's exactly what it did. So that's awesome. This is a great unit. Hopefully my tools in my garage will no longer rust, or my cars. Right now, it's showing about the same. If I want it to turn on, all I have to do is blow right into here. Watch this. On she comes. That got it up to 48, 47, 46, 45. It's very sensitive. It's not loud at all. Really all you hear is a cage fan running. I added this part. It's just got a plastic thing on here. I don't know what it's called, but you can see it here. Love it. Works great. VEVOR Commercial Dehumidifier.